Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make lines on chocolate-covered strawberries. First, select ripe, firm strawberries and wash them thoroughly. It's crucial that they are completely dry before you begin, as any moisture will cause the chocolate to seize. Next, prepare your workspace by laying out a sheet of parchment paper on a baking tray. This will provide a non-stick surface for your dipped berries to cool and set. Now, let's prepare our chocolate for drizzling. Choose a contrasting color to your main chocolate coating. Melt about 6 ounces of your chosen chocolate in a microwave-safe bowl, heating it in 30-second intervals and stirring well after each. This prevents burning and ensures a smooth, workable consistency. Once fully melted, carefully transfer the chocolate into a small piping bag or a Ziploc bag with a tiny corner snipped off. After dipping your strawberries in the primary chocolate and allowing any excess to drip off, place them onto your prepared parchment paper. Let them set for just a minute or two so the base chocolate isn't completely liquid. Now, take your piping bag with the contrasting chocolate. Hold it about 3 to 5 inches above the strawberries and move your hand steadily back and forth, creating thin, elegant lines across each berry. Once you've applied all your decorative lines, allow the chocolate to fully set. This can happen at room temperature, or you can place the baking sheet in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes to speed up the process. Ensure the chocolate is firm to the touch before handling. For best results and freshness, store your beautiful chocolate-covered strawberries in an airtight container in the refrigerator until you're ready to serve them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.